welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if this is your first time here, I'm Aga Tompkins. Nice to meet you. Today I'm doing kind of a light Christmas look or holiday look. I added a little bit of green, I did the red lips, but probably something a little more subtle for the people that don't really wear tons of makeup but want to do a little sparkle and I did a little cut crease. And yeah, the lips and the lashes really are like the centerpiece of this look. So it's pretty easy, I would say. If you've never done a cut crease before, you know, you can do one that's really subtle and it doesn't have to be like bold colors as well. So hope you guys enjoy this video. This look didn't take long at all, probably like 10-15 minutes. So super easy. And I think you guys can do it, so you should try it. Do it, try it. All right, check it out. Check out this look, try it, tell me what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, if you are having a hard time with something or whatever. I'm here to answer your questions and I'm here to help. Subscribe, like, comment, do what you do, you know, share with your friends, your family, anybody, whatever. Check out my Instagram, it's Aga Tompkins Beauty, and all the other social medias, I'm on all the things. So find me on there with my name. My name is pretty different, so I don't think anybody else has the same name as me, obviously, because I'm a fairy princess, Aga Tompkins, duh. All right, bye guys.